Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to you the watches you can purchase in our store.
Today we're taking a look at an elegant classic from the legendary Swiss brand Rado. This is model 152.0366.3, a timepiece that perfectly combines refined style with premium materials. The case is crafted from a combination of ceramic and steel, offering not only a luxurious look, but also excellent durability. These materials are highly resistant to scratches, helping the watch maintain its appearance over time. With a compact 28mm case size, it sits neatly and elegantly on the wrist, while still making a confident statement.
One of the standout features is the bracelet, made of ceramic with gold inserts and set with 108 diamonds. This turns the watch into more than just a timekeeping device. It's a true piece of jewelry. The dial is also beautifully detailed, adorned with 4 diamonds that add depth and a sophisticated sparkle. The sapphire crystal is in excellent condition, providing outstanding clarity and scratch resistance. Inside, the watch is powered by a reliable Swiss quartz movement, ensuring precision and consistency. The functionality is classic and practical. Hours, minutes, and date. Everything you need for everyday use. With a water resistance of 3 atm, it can handle minor splashes, while its overall design makes it an excellent choice for those who appreciate understated luxury, style, and proven quality. This is a watch that doesn't shout about luxury, it quietly embodies it. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Have a great day and happy shopping. Best wishes, Citadel Watch.